guys. Now I will do some presentation of our ecosystem, of our product, and in this time you can write questions in our chat in YouTube, and I will answer after my presentation. Okay? I see that we have only 25 users now in our AMA. That's why I think you don't have enough questions after the presentations. Okay, let's start. Today is the first AMA session in this community, and I would like to give a short but detailed overview of the T project ecosystem. Is all about and that you as users need to pay attention to. Okay, let's start. The core of our project is a TTTU token. This token is deflationary. This means that tokens are getting smaller and smaller every day, because they will always be out of circulation. Every day, there are fewer and fewer tokens, TTU tokens. T project ecosystem is built on the basis of the deflationary model of the TTTU token. It's the main thing of this presentation. The second, guys, if you have some questions, you can write it to our chat. So, what's the total supply which is to be minted? And now the total supply is 1 billion token. But on this moment, we burned more than 200 million token. That's why now in the supply we have around 800 million tokens, and every day we burn some amount of tokens. Now it's about 1 million or 1.5 million tokens per day we burned. Okay, let's continue. Second, how tokens burned and get out of circulation. There is a T-staking product in our ecosystem. It's a venture capital product. Every user who has token in the T-staking is a stakeholder of the T project. And every day at 12 a.m., these users, T-stakers, receives a share of all of commissions generated during the day. Once tokens go into T-staking, they can never come back out. Of course, I can go to the T-staking and show you how it works. Oh no, I think we need to go to the dashboard, and here we see T-staking pool. Now it's more than 200 million tokens in this T-staking pool, and here you can see everyday commission fees income. Now it's around 1 million token per day. Of course, the half of these tokens go to the T-staking and burned. You can see it in this T-staking chart. This is all of commissions, yesterday's commissions, And this is distribution of these commissions. 50% of all of commissions go to the T-staking and burns every day. That's why we have deflationary model. Dashboard. Okay. Let's continue. The third. On the basis of our ecosystem, we have built an investment product called T-Auto-Trade. We can go to the T-Auto-Trade. This product allows you to put tokens into the tariffs and earn profits for 1% of 1% daily. For example, 7 days tariffs. You can deposit here your tokens and get daily profit 1% per day. And you can see it on this chart. We have several tariffs from 7 days deposit lock-in to 90 days lock-in. The longer of deposit lockup, the higher of daily returns. You can see it on this T app. 7 days 1% per day, and for example 60 days 1.4% per day, and 90 days 1.5 per day. But now you see that I have profit 2.5% per day. And why? Because I use the bonus, which increase the daily profitability of the tariff. And I will show you how it works, but later. Additionally, there are perpetual and referrals tariffs. In the perpetual tariffs comes 30% of T-staking. You can see it in staking. I will show you. %30 T-Auto-Trade income from the T-staking, and its income here, T-Auto-Trade and perpetual tariffs. The referral tariffs come the profit from your referral program. And you can see in the referral tariffs, here you have a profit from the referral program. It's the account of the company. That's why don't look at the numbers because it's so big, but it's not relevant because it's the company numbers, and in users it's smaller numbers. Okay, referral program. You have different amount of referrals in different levels. We have 3 levels of referral program, and all of these levels have different % of income. First level 0.5, second level 0.3, and third level 0.2% of the daily profit. This is your link referral. You can share it with your friends, and if they will register from this referral link, they will be your referrals. And when they will trade on the TTAP, on the T-Auto-Trade, and other our products, you will receive this referral income from the referral balance. Okay, T after trade. Tokens from referral and from perpetual tariffs cannot be withdrawn from these tariffs. Okay, let's continue. If you have some questions about the T after trade, you can ask. Hello. Good project, I put. Yes. About 500 TTTU bonus. You can use these tokens only for the TTAP app. And only 10th. Yes, you can play 10 games in the TTAP, and after 10 games, these tokens blocked, and you need to use only TTTU tokens. You need to buy tokens, for example, in our wallet or in the MXC exchange, and use the regular TTTU token. Can you use your TTTU to use DT? I think you need to swap TTTU to USDT, USDT on the MXT exchange, because it's the better price in the exchange than in the T wallet. In the T wallet you have bad price, average buyback price. So what's the total supply which is to be minted? We minted already all tokens, and now these tokens are burned. That's why now we have, in the start we have 1 billion tokens, and now we burned these tokens, and now we have around 800 million tokens. I think no. What about the? So that means the tokens might to go towards zero at one time. I think no. I think that token price will, not price, but token amount will strive to the zero, but it cannot be zero. Yes, it will be strive to zero, because now the deflationary model is very intensively, because tokens tokens have a low price, people have many tokens, and that's why we have very big trading volume and very big fees and very big speed of the token burned. Yes, but if tokens will be small amount, yes, and tokens will be out of circulations, we together will trade a smaller amount of these tokens. Now we trade millions tokens. Later we will trade 1,000, maybe 100,000 tokens. Later it will be 10,000 tokens. Later it will be 1,000 tokens. Later it will be hundreds tokens. Later it will be 1-2 tokens. Yes, and later it will be 0.1, 0.2, because it will be deflationary model, and it's cannot be zero, but it's cannot be very small amount. Yes, in the future. Okay. Total supply 1 billion. Switch app to English, please. But now the app in English. what are the fees? Fees in our project is 0.5% of trading volume. If you buy, for example, T after trade for 10,000 tokens, fees of this trade will be 50 tokens. And this commission go to the reserve fund and distribution this reserve fund every day near the stakers. Best project, okay. What's this? T token have website and roadmap. Yes, we have a roadmap. We have in our Git book, and we can see it. Now I will show you. Please wait. Yes, this is website of our project. You can see here the presentation. You can see some information about our products, about MXC exchange, about our deflationary staking model, links to our social media, and of course you can see the Git book here, docs. Yes, and you can see all information of our products in our Git book. And what's your question? Sorry, wait a minute, please. And your question, roadmap. Yes, roadmap we have in the Git book, T project roadmap. Let's see. Oh, sorry, it's not T project roadmap. Okay, here you can see our different future plans. Now we are in the second quarter, yes, and you can see here what we will do and what we do now, yes. The first, the second quarter, third, fourth, you can see all of our plans on the near future. Okay. Yes. Okay, I think you don't have any questions now. Okay, let's continue. Okay. Additionally, we are developing PvP products and other products, gaming products, PvP, different maybe prediction markets and others. The first PvP product is TTAP. Users deposit TTTU tokens and get into one of two teams, white team or black team, and complete to see which team has clicked more and won. The winners get 8% profit and bonuses, and the losing team gets 10% loss. There are 24 games per day, and the games live every hour. And now many people play in the TTAP. I think now I can't to show you TTAP because now this app work only in mobile phones, and I now use the laptop. That's why I can't show you TTAP now. But TTAP use now many peoples. I can see how many peoples now in the in the TTAP. Yes, now we will have 132 peoples now play in the TTAP. Okay, and maybe you have some question about the TTAP. Why people play on the TTAP? First of all, of course, they want to get some profits, and secondary, in the TTAP you can win the bonus, and bonus you can use on the T after trade to increase your profitability. For example, 7 days. You can press bonus and you can select the tariffs, 7 days for example, and how much bonus you want to use. For example, 5 bonus. And you can see that your profitability will increase around 0.5%, because the regular profitability of these tariffs is 1%, and now it will be 1.5% per day, and it will work on the second cycle. When the after trade will be work on the second cycle, on the next cycle, you can see that its profitability will be increased. Activate. Okay, activate success. Okay, on the next cycle, I will have increased profitability of the 7 days tariffs. That's why users play in TTAP, because in TTAP they can win bonuses, which they can use on these T auto trade tariffs. Okay, how can you comment on such a sharp decline in the token price over the past few days? Do you have plans to get in this situation? This is a future price increase. Now the token price it's very subjective thing, yes, because now we don't have a big amount of users which trade every time. Some people, for example, go to the exchange in the morning and they want to sell their profit, yes, and they sell their profit, but we don't have on the market now a lot of buyers, yes, that's why price falls. And for example, through the 3 hours we have some buyers, yes, but don't have some sellers. That's why we can see the volatility, yes, and the token maybe will increase. In a long-term prediction, of course, our deflationary model and burn of tokens will multiplicate price of these tokens more and more. But now, of course, tokens, we can, in the moment, we can have more sellers as buyers, but in the moment we can see more buyers as sellers, yes, and we can see, for example, 15% increase if somebody buys around $10,000 our tokens, yes, and it's not problem for this project in the long term. That's why, of course, I think in the market we can see and rally, how to say, pump, yes, and we can see some corrections because, for example, for me, yes, I don't want to buy assets which grows, price grows without the corrections, because it's very, I think it's I have some fear, yes, because corrections on the market is a good how to say, it's a good opportunities, yes, to buy tokens for the best price, because for example, if you buy tokens lower than 10% as the average price on the market, you will win around 7 days on the T after trade, because other people who buy tokens for the another price higher, about 10%, they need to have around 7 days to get a profit 10%, yes. That's why, of course, it's very good opportunities when the price falls down to buy tokens for a good price, because another people can't buy for this price. Okay, maybe let's look on the MXC exchange, for example. Okay, let's see on the market, and that's it. I think it's very good. It's very good situation now. Yes, because we have some support, price support, and we see it. Yes, that now we near the support of the price after the growth, because we grows around 400%. Yes, from this level to this level, it's 400%. Of course, after these 3 monthly growth, we have some correction. This is the first correction, yes. After this, the second correction, and we are testing the support. And now we see that support is here, yes. And that's why, of course, in the near future we will see growth and growth of the price, I think, because deflationary model will work and the tokens will be burned. Okay, do you have some questions? And then share big bets on staking. Yes, I think staking in the future is it's the best project, and it's the best product on our project. Yes, staking in the future, because now, of course, the person profit is not so big because token is price is low, and that's why these tokens which you have, which you receive from the staking, is very low profitability. But of course, when the deflationary model burned a big amount of the tokens and price will be very high, this product, this staking, will be very profitability, and maybe it will be more profitability than T auto trade. But in the future, different peoples, new peoples and new users, they will not have some opportunities to buy this amount of tokens to get in staking. Yes, that's why I think now it's very good time to increase your staking. Okay, guys, do you have some questions more? why are the tokens fixed at the staking and can't get them out again? Because it's our deflationary model. It's a core idea of our project. That's why, of course, we in our core idea burn tokens, and this burning we realize through the T staking, because we want to not only burn this token, we want to insert this token to the T staking for users who develop our project and who use our project on the start. Because now we are on the start of this project, because only 2 weeks ago we ended the basic development of our product, and only now we are starting to work. Yes, and people, users who trust us, yes, and who use our products now, of course, we want that they have some shares of our products and our project, our ecosystem. That's why we in our T staking mechanism we have burned mechanism of the tokens. That's why when tokens go to the T staking, you can't get them out again. If you don't want to burn these tokens in the T staking, you can go to the T after trade product and you can buy tokens, go to the T after trade, and from T after trade you can get them out again. How do you plan to expand your marketing company? I think we will expand, work with different influencers, and of course we will expand the different flows of the traffics from different region of our world. Yes, and now we're testing some different traffic flows, and now we see that have good results, and we will increase the financial we will increase the marketing strategy on this geo. I think this one. And I hope that referral program will be work well. Okay, guys, do you have any question? Okay, I think that in the near future we will increase our activity for different language users, and I hope that in the near future the second AMA will be more intensive. Max Invest. Yes, I think, of course, we have some country restriction in marketing, and also we have some restrictions. USA, Canada, Australia, and I think that's all. another countries is open for us and for our marketing. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for your questions. And I hope we will do AMAS again. Bye bye. Thank you.